Hello my favorite people, I hope you are doing good. In this video we're going to talk about something new. A lot of people used to heard about trading. What is trading? What exactly is trade? You used to see people with their computers looking at these charts, and a lot of people want to learn or want to start how to do trading. So in this video I'm going to do a review on what is trading in just few minutes. Alright, so if you really listen and you follow along, you are going to understand what exactly is trading. And I'm going to talk mostly on crypto and the forex trading. I will talk about crypto and the forex trading. Alright, so please, if you are new to my channel, please, I need you to subscribe, because like I promise always, I'll be updating you back to back. So in this video I will try as much as I can to explain what exactly is trading for you guys, because I'm going to explain how easy this thing is. So let's begin. As you can see, this is just a chart, right? It's charts. We're going to know how to read this, as you can see. So let's go to what is trading exactly. As you can see, this is chat GPT, and I search for what is financial trading direct from there, and they say financial trading involves buying and selling financial instruments such as stocks, bonds, currencies, commodities, derivatives, with the goal of making profit. So the goal of trading, the whole goal is to make profit, make money. So as you can see, we have many types of trading. This trading, buying and selling, is what we call trading. Buying and selling online, this is what we call trading. Even if it is all offline, it is trading. So let's see the type of financial trading we have. Here we have stock trading, stocks trading. All right, so as you can see, stock trading is buying and selling shares of publicly traded companies. Buying and selling shares of a company is stock trading. And the second one, we have forex trading. Forex trading, which is one of the two that we are going to go into. So forex trading is what? As you can see here, this is number 2, is forex trading. Forex trading is trading currencies in foreign exchange. So the word forex stands for two words, that is foreign and exchange, that is forex. Foreign exchange, as you can see here, foreign exchange. It is the largest, most liquid market. This forex market is the largest market among all these markets that you can see here, from number 1 to number 7. Forex is the biggest, is the largest financial market in the whole world. All the markets, forex is number 1. Alright, so they have the volume of over $6 trillion now daily. And the next one is commodity trading. You can trade commodities like gold, oil, agricultural products, and more. Number 4 is option trading, buying and selling options contract that give the right but not the obligation to buy or sell assets, whatever. And the next one is future trading. We have futures trading. Futures trading involve trading contract to buy or sell asset at a future date at a specified price. So let's go to the crypto trading. So the crypto trading is one of the two that we are going to talk about here. We are going to talk about forex trading, and the second one is going to be cryptocurrency trading. Alright, so as you can see, crypto is buying and selling digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins. Alright, this is crypto. So we are going back to the charts. As you can see, this is chart. The reason why you see traders opening this chart and watching this chart, drawing on this chart, is because they are trying to analyze what is going to happen in the market. In trading, we have buying and selling. We have two things, which is the buying and selling. And when you open this chart like this, we are going to see we have two lines. We have the red and the blue line. Alright, we have the red line and we have the blue line. So in this, I'm going to show you something here. Watch closely. As you can see here, You see the red line is always coming down. Whenever you see red line, the chart is coming down, and whenever you see blue line, we see this blue line, the trade is going up. All right, the trade is trying to go up. As you can see here, this one blue is going up, and whenever you see red, it's coming down. All right, so when the price is going high, every trader buy. When you press buy, you will start getting money. All right, when you press buy, you will start getting money. We have different types of traders. We have some traders. Let me go back to ChatGPT. Let's see. We have types of trading strategies. We have day trading. Day trading is for traders that trade daily, like every day, maybe from morning till evening. We have swing trading. That is traders that hold position for like almost days, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 2 weeks, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. All right, these are swing traders. We have scalping, number 3, which is scalping. This is trading that you will just do it in just 1 hour, 30 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, simple, just in a very small period of time, very short time. All right, so the last one is position trading, which is you can hold position for months. We are talking about months here, and even years. You can hold position in a trading for years. It depends, but most traders are day traders. Most traders I know are day traders. They wish to trade in a single day. You will just go to the market 5 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour, and you will get your money. You see, so all these traders have something in common, which is this analysis. All these traders, the forex traders, the crypto traders, and the commodity traders, the indices and whatever, they have this in common, this analysis. You have to come and look at this. You have to study this. This is the reason why people used to pay thousands of money to go and study this forex trading or crypto trading, because you want to learn how these things moves. You want to learn when is this coming down, when is this one going up. That is exactly how you are going to be making your millions, making your money. All right, so as you can see here, let's start with forex trading. This is a trading view. We have this in common. Every trader must learn this. You must study this and know how to use this. This is where you are going to do your analysis and enter the market. You see, you have to do your analysis here, and you use your other apps to do your to enter and exit the market. All right, so at the end of this video, I'm going to drop link. I'm going to drop the name of the apps that you need to download with your mobile phone or with your laptop computer to start trading. This app you see here, we have the Android version, we have the iPhone, Apple version, and all that. All right, so this is I'm using a computer here, but we have you can use your phone to do your analysis. You can use your phone, so it's not necessary that you must use a laptop computer. All right, so we have these different types of traders. As you can see here, let me show you something here. As you can see here, we have stocks. In this application, we have stocks. These are the number. We have stocks. Let me see example. Let me show you the example of stocks. Stocks trading. We have stocks. We have funds. We have futures. We have forex. We have crypto. We have indices. We have bonds. We have them. You know. So you see, on stocks we have Tesla, we have Apple, we have this Nvidia something, we have Amazon, we have all these things are under stocks, and you can trade them. You can go directly and trade if you want to trade this. These are we call them stocks. We have funds, we have futures, we have forex. Let's touch forex. Like I said before, forex trading is trading that involves foreign exchange between two currencies. It involves exchange between two currencies, maybe from euro to dollar, maybe from dollar to pounds, from pounds to Japanese yen. It's exchange of money between two currencies. You are going to use that the same opportunity of you know the price of market always changes. Sometimes dollar will go high, sometimes euro will go high. You are going to use that the same opportunity of the fluctuation of the price of the market to 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 get your money. You know, you are going to use the same opportunity. That is, it's the only opportunity that is going to give you the chance to be in the market and make money in the market. All right. So you know, definitely the price of currency always changes, market always changes. Sometimes to go up and sometimes to go, sometimes dollar will go high and sometimes it will uh, crash down. All right, sometimes euro will go high, gbp will go high. So as you can see here, we have euro usd number one, this one here euro and the dollar. This is going to be a trade between euro and dollar. The second one is trade between British pound and the US dollar. The third one is this one. The fourth one is between the United States dollar and the Japanese yen. You see, US dollar, Japanese yen. The last, this, you see, we have only 4 examples here. All right, so these are the things that you are going through, or the example of the things that you can, the currencies that you can trade in the forex market. All right, I hope you guys are getting this. I hope you are getting. It's very simple and easy if you just relax and follow along. All right, so let's keep going now. Let's go to crypto, direct to crypto. So we just touched crypto here. The difference between forex and crypto is not that big. We do the same analysis. Alright, so as you can see here, we have BTC. Everyone know what is BTC. It is Bitcoin and the US dollar. So we have BTC, USD. We have them. You see different things. And if you want to search for them, for example, you can search for ton again against US dollar, ton USD. You are going to see ton here. You see ton USDT. This is going to be a trade between ton and the US dollar. Let's search for ton dox, the new crypto airdrop. It's dox against United States dollar. You see, dox against USD. Alright, so let me touch this one and see how the market is going. You see, you can do the analysis here. This is where I do the analysis. I was expecting a bullish here. I was expecting a bullish here yet. So this is where I do my analysis. You see, this is how to do your analysis. You see, this is how to do your analysis. This is the new docs that just land in the crypto world, in the crypto market. So you can do your analysis here and you can enter market and you can make your money here. But the most important thing is knowledge. You have to learn how to do all these things. Okay, so this is under crypto. All right, so the next thing I'm going to show you, the chart, how to do the drawings, what is the reasons behind the drawings and all that. All right, so let me go back to the forex. No, let me take about let's talk about stocks here. Let's talk about the stocks here. But we're going to talk about the commodities here. Let's take gold for example. Commodity. Let's take gold. I'm going to do analysis. I'm going to show you how we do the analysis on gold. I'm going to show you how to do the analysis on gold. Alright. So we are waiting for. So as you can see, this is gold. This is my analysis. This is how I use drawings and do the analysis. You have to learn how to use these drawings. You see, it is me that put all these drawings back to back. I've been drawing this back to back. This is the trading. You have to come here, study this chart and know when this chart is going up and when this chart is coming down. My last trade is here. Let me show you my last trade, how exactly my last trade went, which is today. As you can see here, this is where exactly I enter the market down here at this position. So as you can see here, This is how I predict the market, that the market is going up from here. You see, this is where I enter the market, and the market start going up here, and it started fluctuating here, fluctuating, and yet still it went up here again. I had a small trade here which was a loss, so but still it touches my TP here. It will come to the position that I was expecting it to come here. As you can see, this is the point. So the most important thing is knowledge. The most important thing you need is knowledge on how to read this chart. That is trading. The moment you learn, you study how to read this chart, you study how to read, how to take care of your emotions, to study, pay attention, practice back to back. You have to practice back to back. All right, so this is the first video I made, and in the next video I'm going to show you the apps you need to download so I can start teaching you the basics. I can only teach you the basics here. And for those who are interested, who have been interested, I know a lot of people have been interested and wanted to learn this trading, but they don't know how and where they are going to start. If you really want, if you are serious, I'm going to drop link to my Telegram. Just go to my Telegram, talk to me, and I'm going to put you in my class. I have classes that I teach people online, straightforward, how to start trading. Which one do you want to learn exactly? You should talk to me on my Telegram, and I'm going to teach you step by step, and God willing, you are going to become a successful trader in the near future, depending on how serious you take it. Alright, so if you found this video interesting and educative, I need you to hit the subscribe button, share this video to other people, and you can comment if you have any question you want to ask or something you want to ask. This is a very simple video. It's a very simple video. You can ask me any question, and I'm going to explain to you. Thank you for watching. Bye.